Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Got some exciting things happening today and over the next couple weeks. First of all, we've got this box here, and it's always nice to see the whole live plant logo on the box. I usually treat myself to some new trees at the end of winter, going into spring. Here in Texas, we are getting really close. We're at the middle of March now, and I'm probably 2 weeks away from sitting all my tropical trees back outside. So I'm going to be working on my bonsai benches outside, and I'll try to get some video of that. But pretty exciting time. So today I thought we would just, this box just arrived, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and share and see what we have inside. Okay, so I'm in here a little closer. So first, I think we'll just go ahead and get it cut open, kind of see what we're up against here. But I ordered from this place a ton of those little styrofoam peanuts in it, so that'll be interesting to see how we can get this open without making one heck of a mess, but we'll see what we got here. Yep, I was right. Get this knife out of the way before I hurt myself. So here's the packing list, and as you can see, this stuff, my trees came from Weigert's Bonsai Nursery, and they're out of Florida. Like I said, I've ordered from them before. Oh, this is new. I guess got a little, looks like a little sticker, a little pamphlet on kind of about their store and what they've got. So yeah, that's nice. So I'll set that aside. And yeah, there's a, show you inside there. There's a ton of peanuts. So let me get the camera repositioned. I'm going to try to get some of these peanuts out of here, and I'll raise up maybe a little sneak peek of something, if we can see something green in here. Yeah, so we've got a little, let's see if I can get to it. A little sneak peek of some green there. So let me go ahead and get this repositioned, get the box, some of these peanuts out of here, and I'll raise the trees up and kind of put them on the table so you can see them. Okay, I got the first tree unearthed from all the foam peanuts. Still have a few peanuts in here. I guess that keeps the tree safe, but man, it's a kind of a pain to get them unearthed from all that. But yeah, so the first one, this one is a water jasmine. I've not had one of these before. I just thought it looked cool. It's a tropical tree, and it has little white flowers. I'll see if I can show a picture. Weigert's has a picture of the bloom on their website. I'll see if I can snag one of those and kind of share it. But yeah, it's a decent size. Good trunks, probably a good inch diameter or so. Let me go ahead and cut this off. Just check out the soil condition. See what we got. Like I said, I've ordered from them a few times before, and the trees that I got from them arrived healthy, and they're still going good. So far so good on experience with Weigert's. They probably shipped a few trees before, so they kind of know what they're doing. Let's see. So the soil is Still a little damp, so that's good. It took them, I'm in Texas, and like I said, these shipped out of Florida, and it took, let's see, I ordered them, and it took them 2 days to get here. So, and they do offer a service where you can get a heat pack to put in it, but I didn't because I checked my temperatures here, and we're right around 50 at night, maybe upper 40s, but it's plenty warm enough for these trees. So I didn't, opt to get the heat pack, but they do offer that service. But if you live up north, I'd probably wait a little bit just in case they get stuck in transit. You never know what could happen. And if it's still a little cool during the night, I might wait a few more weeks or a month or whatever, however long it takes for you guys up north to warm up a little bit. But like I said, I didn't get the heat packs just because I knew when these were going to ship and our temperatures were suitable for shipping. So there's the first one. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll probably let it acclimate for a couple weeks. Probably still inside here a little bit, and then I'll gradually start taking my trees outside. But it's probably warm enough to put them outside now, but we'll just kind of see how this responds. I'll keep it under grow lights and keep it warm in the house for the next week or two, and then they'll start going outside. So let me see what the next one is. And by the way, I mentioned Weigerts and stuff. This isn't sponsored or anything. I bought these trees. I just, if a company does a good job, I don't mind sharing and saying, where I got them from and how the experience was. So next one out. Get some of the peanuts out of it again. And this one is a ficus. I think it's a Green Island ficus, and it's got kind of round oval leaves on it. Not had one of these before either, so this will be a new tree, but I figure since it's a ficus, I grow a lot of ficus, so we'll see if it responds pretty much the same. I'm guessing it will, but it's got a decent shape to it. I gotta cut this off of here. I ordered a little Mudman decoration too, since they kind of ship free with the trees, so it doesn't really add any shipping cost to it. But yeah, I'm kind of liking the way this is in the pot. It's kind of it's slanted and got some decent shape to it. Maybe wire some of these branches down. So yeah, I think that'll end up being a nice little tree too. And this is in more of their traditional, because usually when you see these kind of bowls, these round planters, you kind of know it's from Weigerts. So this is kind of what I'm used to getting trees from them in, which is nice because it already grows, it's a shallower pot, so it keeps the roots from getting really long and unruly in a true nursery grow pot. So I like how the roots are kind of already trained shallow in these, so it's easier to transition to a bonsai pot. Let me go ahead and get this cut off here. Yeah, that's not a bad little tree either. I like that. Looks pretty healthy. A lot of new growth coming out on it. So yeah, looking forward to this one too. Yeah, I like that one. Trunk's not as thick as the water jasmine was, but it's still decent. Down at the root base, it's probably an inch or close to it anyway. So happy with it. Yep. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And like I said, once these get acclimated and I see that they're putting on new growth, I will be sharing some videos. I'll probably get them repotted into bonsai pots and then start training them. So make sure you stay tuned for that. One more tree. Get the peanuts out of it. This is a little guy here. It's another ficus. This is called a melon seed ficus. It's got really tiny leaves on it. And it looks like they grow a lot of branches. It's really twiggy up here at the top. We've got some kind of bent over here, but they're still flexible. They're not broken. They may have just been kind of compressed in shipping. I think one of the trees might have been on top of it, but nothing to worry about yet. But yeah, it looks like, man, this trunk is kind of rough. Go ahead and get the plastic cut off of it so we can take a look at it. I guess from reading about these, the little that I could find, I guess they grow aerial roots and, you know, really get nice looking roots on them pretty quick. And I can already tell I like the way the trunk looks. It already looks like an older tree, even though it's not that old, I'm guessing. Yeah, so like I said, down there at the root base, it's got a decent flare underneath the soil too. So that's at least an inch, maybe a little more. But it's kind of nice. It's going to lend itself with the small leaves. I think it's going to lend itself to a nice showing style. You know, keep the height down. Nice fat trunk base on it. But again, not going to do a whole lot. Just kind of let it recover and kind of see how it goes. And then last item is this I can get this out of here without opening up my finger. It's kind of hard to get excited about opening up some of this stuff and try to go too fast. And that's when things can get a little dangerous. But yeah, I ordered this little mudman guy. Just for fun. I kind of like this stuff, and I didn't have any with this color combination, so I just thought it would be kind of cool. I could put on some of my trees here, so got him. And so that's it for the unboxing. I just got, let me go ahead and set the trees back up here. So you can kind of see the size of them all together. But yeah, so that's the haul for this spring so far on my new trees. Like I said, I try to treat myself to some new stuff at the beginning of spring. Yeah, so pretty happy with it, and thanks for watching. But like I said, make sure you subscribe so you can kind of see the progress of these as spring and summer progresses. We'll get them repotted and then get them trained and start pruning on them and kind of see how they grow. Since all these are new species for me, we'll kind of learn them together. So, all right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.